Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Todd in Illinois on this Ranger RCI 69 Base Plus. Todd, we got you all fixed up here, ready to go. Let me just roll the RF power all the way down here for you. 100 watt slug. Got you set at 5 watts all the way down. 30 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 70 watts bird. 250 watt slug and peak. Hello. There's 140 peak. Alright, Todd, we're going to get this up to Chi-Town, man. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck, truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.